Donald Trump's defense team has rested its case in his hush money trial in New York. Closing arguments will take place in a week's time before the case goes to the jury. Mr. Trump denies falsifying business records to hide payments made to the adult film actress Stormy Daniels in the run-up to the 2016 presidential election. With the details from New York, here's Nada Tawfiq.
Both sides have now rested their case. The defense early Tuesday after calling two witnesses and Donald Trump deciding not to take the stand. That had been the major question looming over this weeks-long trial because Donald Trump had said publicly that he would, though legal analysts doubted throughout that he would actually take the risk, given he would be opening himself up to damaging questions by prosecutors. And ultimately, it is his Fifth Amendment right not to be compelled to be a witness against himself. The burden of proof is on prosecutors here. And the judge will instruct the jury not to hold it against Donald Trump. Now, Donald Trump said he thought his team presented a great case. He was joined in court by a large entourage of Republican politicians and his eldest son, Don Jr. Outside of court, Don Jr. was asked why his father didn't testify. He said that he wouldn't subject himself to it, that there was absolutely no reason and no justification for him to, slamming the case as a scam and a farce, repeating very much his father's talking points throughout this entire trial. Well, both sides will now have the long weekend to prepare for their closing arguments next Tuesday after the long holiday weekend. They spent Tuesday afternoon debating how the instructions to the jury would be formulated with the judge. So the judge, after closing arguments, will instruct the jury, and then it will be down to those 12 New Yorkers to look at the evidence and decide, is Donald Trump guilty or not guilty of falsifying business records?
Nada Tawfiq there. The White House has condemned a video posted on Donald Trump's social media page after it emerged that it showed an image referring to a unified Reich. This is the video, you'll see it, here it is, which shows a series of headlines outlining what's next for America if Mr. Trump becomes president again. The phrase unified Reich, which is associated with the far right and Nazis, is just visible beneath the headline. Mr. Trump's campaign said it was created by a random account and reposted by a staffer before being deleted.